Hello.
Hello, teacher.
How are you today?
I good.
Okay, and tell me what is your name?
My name is Trí An.
Okay, and where are you from?
I'm from Vietnam.
Yes, and which school are you in? Which school are you in?
Um, uh, Hanoi connecting.
I'm
I'm
in
Vietnam.
Hanoi Connection. Yes. Okay, can you tell me what can you do well?
I can play football. Well,
What can't you do?
I can fly.
Okay, can you ride a bike or a scooter?
Yes, I can. Bike.
Ride
Ride bike.
a bike.
Bike.
Can you cook something?
No, I can.
No, you can. Okay. So tell me, what do you like doing on the weekend?
I like playing with my friend.
Yes. What do you hate doing?
I hate clean up school.
Cleaning up
Clean up school.
in school.
In school.
Okay. Do you love play? Do you like? Do you love playing any sports games?
I support my support.
You like to play soccer?
Yes.
Okay. Do you hate doing homework?
No, I do. No, I don't.
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 Okay. Why?
Because why can change?
I want
Change. I want to can
it.
get change
Score.
change school.
Yes, good. Okay. Do you like watching movies or reading books?
I like reading book.
Good. Okay, so can you make me these sentences in present perfect tense? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, let's try. I'm gonna choose this sentence.
Your breakfast has bought a good present for you.
Very good.
Alexander Anthony has
Have
written long
re-
message
written.
written long messenger for me.
Okay. Let's do sentence this number 5.
Lorenzo has go to the
One more
friend
time, Lorenzo. What?
has gone
Gone.
gone to the theater with his girlfriend.
Yes, and we're gonna have this sentence.
Rory Ford has made he bed early
Your
today.
bed
Her bed early today.
early.
Today.
You say
E-
early,
Early
not
today.
early. Early.
Early.
Yes. Okay. Number 10.
The postman has bought a big present for my dad.
One more time. The postman
The postman
has
has
brought
bought a big present for my dad.
parcel.
Person for my dad.
Yes. And number 11.
Three girls has played it.
It's actually have.
Haven't girls
3 girls have
play
played.
it. Play, play it. Tennis in the park the afternoon.
Yes, it's correct. Good job.